Hi guys, welcome back to Nduta's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some vegetable fried Indomie noodles, and I promise that if you try this, you're never going to eat your noodles any other way. So watch till the end to see how I achieved this. We will need some vegetables of your choice. So I'm going to use one red bell pepper, one yellow bell pepper, one green bell pepper, one courgette, one eggplant, 3 tomatoes, some couple of branches of string onions, 1 red onion. Of course, you can add any other vegetables you like. If you want to add some broccoli, you can add some broccoli. If you want to add some cabbage, you can add some cabbage. So anything that you like as a vegetable, you can add in to your vegetables. So now I'm going to cut my onions into those pieces that you see there. Like always, I will mix my onions and then I'm going to transfer it to my bowl and continue preparing our vegetables. So I usually cut my vegetables into boxes or squares, but today I'm going to cut them into strings or juliennes because I want them to look like my noodles. All this because I just want my plates to have almost the same shape of food. I don't want to have boxes of vegetables and strings of noodles, so everything is going to be strings. I've put my water on and it's just going to boil as we're continuing to prepare our ingredients. And just like I cut strings of all our vegetables, I'm going to cut my courgette in the same way. I understand that some people don't like biting into your vegetables, so if you're that kind of person, what you can do is to blend your vegetables or even grate them. I personally don't like biting into tomatoes or eggplants, and so for me, I'm going to let my tomatoes cook completely so that I don't bite into. The other thing I don't like biting into is an eggplant, and that is why I have a very small eggplant as compared to the rest of my other vegetables. So because I don't like biting into my tomatoes, I'm gonna cut my tomatoes into very small pieces because I want them to cook completely and disappear, because I don't want to see them, I don't want to bite into them. You know, with cooking, it's all about preference. You can take out whatever you don't like, keep in whatever you like, keep whatever you don't like, however you like it, you know. So my water is boiling and I'm now going to put in my noodles. This is how you want your water to be boiling so that it can take a very short time for your noodles to be ready. So I'm not cooking just for myself, so I have quite an amount of noodles. Plus, I wouldn't mind having leftovers of this because this is usually so good, guys. I honestly don't get tired of eating it. I just stop because it's over. What am I going to do now? So I'm now just starting to make sure that all my noodles soak in water, and I let it cook for 5 minutes and it was done so quick. So this is the pan that I'm going to fry in everything, and in this I'm going to add my eggs because I like to have my noodles with some hard-boiled eggs. So I'm just going to put my eggs inside here, and we're going to continue frying our noodles as we wait on our eggs. So once my pan was hot, I put in my vegetable oil. I was just trying to make sure that it is well spread, and then I'll put in some of my onions, my green and string onions, and then I'm going to cover them and let them soften a little bit. So once my onions are nice and soft, I'm going to add in my tomatoes just to make sure that they cook completely, because this is one of the things that I don't like to bite into. So I'm just going to cover it and let it cook completely, and that is what it has done. I will not bite into it, and now we can add in all our other vegetables. I'll start adding in my courgettes and eggplants, my red, yellow and green bell pepper, I had some maize or some corn if you like, and I'm just gonna add it here, and we are going to wait for them to cook. I'm now going to add in my salt, some boo sauce that is inside the Indomie sachet. So now I'm going to let everything cook so that all the flavors from my salt and bumbu sauce and vegetables can mix in properly, and then we can continue and add our noodles. So once everything is cooked, you can add in your Indomie noodles and mix everything nicely with a fork. At this point, my heat is on low heat, and so everything can cook slowly and all my flavors can seep into my noodles. And this is the final result, guys. It looks nice and it tastes very good. The flavors, guys, from all the vegetables and the noodles, So now everything is now ready, and I'm just gonna put it on my plate and we can enjoy. This is one of the eggs that I was boiling earlier. So what I like to do is to focus when I'm doing this. So I cut it nicely and precisely into 4 parts, and then I nicely and slowly place it on top of my noodles, just like that. And that's it, guys. Look at that. It is so pretty, it is so tasty, and it is very easy to make. I hope that you try this, guys, because I promise you that you're going to like it. I hope you liked this video as much as I liked making it. Talk to me on my comments section below and tell me what else you want to see me make. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. Until next time, bye.